What is going on, guys? Today we are in Caineville, Utah, and today we're going to be climbing this mesa behind me. South Caineville Mesa. We're gonna go to the top of this. I did it a few months ago and I didn't make a video on it, so I'm knocking myself, but I'm stoked. I'm back here with my buddy Nate. It's gonna be like a 4-mile hike with like 2,000 feet of gain. It is so beautiful. It is probably one of the most unique summits I've ever done in my life. It's not like a standard mountain where you kind of get to the peak. Once you get to the summit, it's just a flat mesa on top, like a big plateau. It's so unique. They're above all these insane, beautiful patterns. So I'll take you guys along with us. It should be pretty awesome. Somehow convinced my buddy Nate to join along for this hike. Bree didn't want to climb, and apparently Autumn didn't either. So Nate was down to drive 4 hours to come do this, which is awesome. Hey Nate.
Hey.
And this is his crazy van.
It's the rig.
What is it called?
This is Vandolph the Great. Soon he will be cast into the shadows and born again as Vandolph the White, I'm sure. My other friends kind of joke it looks like a church van.
So this is the start of the trail. We parked over there and now we're headed up. It's gonna be a very loose dirt climb. I think it's like class 3, but it's gonna be an awesome hike. So it's loose dirt and it's steep, which is not fun, it's not enjoyable. You're gonna feel like you're slipping quite a bit on this type of terrain, but for the most part, it's safe. Because you kind of just struggle up when you go uphill, like 2 steps up, 1 step down. On the downhill, you kind of just can ski down on your feet. So I think it looks gnarlier than it actually is. So it looks a little sketchy from here, but I was just up top on this rock. I'm gonna go back up there, and Nate is gonna get his drone out. Well, he has it out. Nate, what's your plan of action right here?
I am absolutely winging it. I don't know if I would say I have a plan of action.
This little cave, when you go through, you just have to jam your body into it. It's not really fun, but it's the way to the top. As you can see.
Like Otto.
Yeah.
This is the monster off-width.
Yeah, I was gonna say this is like off-width climbing. Yeah, it gets a little tight. How would you describe the tunnel?
It's an obstacle course with high consequence.
You just grind your body as you make your way through.
Yeah. It's kind of fun though. It's like an off-width, so you're like pushing yourself. Like you're not really grabbing and pulling, you're just like wedged. So we have made it to the summit of Caineville Mesa. It is beautiful. Been up here for like an hour just kind of hanging out and talking and just waiting for the light to get a little bit better. I found myself a little cave because it is so loud and windy. The summit's just like on the other side of this cave. So I can't really talk to the camera because the mic just is catching all the wind. But incredible summit, such a unique, definitely my favorite summit in Utah. Like 2 miles and 2,000 feet of elevation. We should have like an easy 1.5 miles back to the car. So we're gonna hang out for a bit. I'm gonna put on some drone shots I got last time because my drone is broken, so I don't have it with me. Nate might fly his in a little bit, but the last time I got some of my favorite drone shots I've ever taken, so I'm gonna play this for you guys so you can see it. But it's amazing, so we're just gonna be hanging out here for the next few hours and shooting and enjoying it.
thing about when you're with a friend who's doing brand work, sometimes you get a free beer out of it. So we're just having some Summit beers at the moment, which is pretty awesome. Nate's getting some shots.
Like the lamest Instagram shots.
We just flew the drone and you got some awesome shots. But yeah, we're just hanging out up here. It's incredible, amazing views in every single direction you look. Capitol Reef is behind us. Hanksville and Factory Butte are that way, which is pretty sweet. What do you think?
Cheers.
Starting to pop off. Look at this beautiful glow. Just shooting some more. Probably gonna head down in a little bit. We found a spot that's kind of past all the sketchy climbing, down a little bit lower, that we think would be pretty cool for Astro. So we'll probably descend a little bit and then camp out there. We'll see. Right now, just enjoying the beautiful start to the sunset. Back to Nate's favorite spot. We're gonna be doing some more off-with.
YOLO free solo.
So we are making our way down. We are past the off-with portion, about to start the scree portion. So we probably should be able to just run right down it. But it looks like the sunset is gonna pop off. So hopefully we can get some cool photos. Stopping and shooting, stopping and shooting, and we're gonna go down some more. Sunset, it's just been incredible. We're gonna keep going, try to get some more shots. Unreal sunset.
It's the end of the hike when your legs are tired.
So we had ourselves a nice little sunrise mission to wrap up the time here in Hanksville and Caineville. It's pretty awesome. If you are not already, check out Nate's Instagram. It's Nate in the Wild, and his YouTube, Light Side Up. He's got some awesome stuff out there. Do you want to tell them about your Light Side Up film?
Oh man, we sent a camera up to the edge of space in a weather balloon to film the Aurora Borealis. It was cool. There are some celebrations, some tears. It was fun.
No big deal. He just sent a camera up into space. It's incredible, so check it out. But hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you later.
Cheers.